Say hi, Autumn. If this is your first time here, welcome. Thank you for stopping by. If you visited before, it is so good to see you again. On this channel, we share shopping hauls, create budget-friendly DIYs, and home decor. In today's video, I am taking part in Heidi Sonboul's Valentine DIY Challenge. It is hosted by Heidi Sonboul at Heidi Sonboul DIY. Her channel is linked in the description below, along with the playlist for this DIY challenge. In today's video, I am creating 2 Valentine hearts for you using mainly Dollar Tree items. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of my upcoming Valentine fun. Now let's get to my craft room. You know the way, come on, let's go. Don't forget that playlist at the end, okay? Thanks. For heart number 1, you're going to need 1 hanging heart from the Dollar Tree and 3 different ribbon patterns. I started by removing the tinsel from the heart frame. Then I used wire cutters to remove the nubs around the frame. I chose the black and white stripe and buffalo checked ribbon to cover my heart frame. I placed glue at the top of the frame and the bottom of the frame and cut the ribbon about 1 inch longer than the heart frame. I then took the buffalo checked ribbon and placed glue on the top and the bottom of the frame. I cut the ribbon about 1 inch longer than the frame and continued alternating this pattern all the way across the heart frame. Next, I wove my 3rd pattern of ribbon over and under the vertical strips of ribbon. Some of you might remember weaving those multicolored nylon strips into pot holders for Mother's Day in grade school. This is the same concept. I'm weaving these ribbon strips to create a beautiful pattern on this heart. I wove about 6 vertical rows of ribbon, cutting each strip about 1 inch longer than the frame. Once I was done weaving all of the ribbon strips, I started gluing the ribbon around the edge of the frame. You want to be sure and pull the strips tight as you glue them around the frame. This keeps the ribbons taut against the heart frame. I took some buffalo checked ribbon, tied it into a simple shoestring bow, and dovetailed the ends. I went ahead and glued the ribbon to the top of the heart. Then I cut a red heart from the ribbon and glued it to the center of the bow. For the hanger, I took about a 6-inch strip of ribbon, glued the edges together, and wove it through the back of the heart. I took some fluffy red yarn and glued it around the frame to give it a more finished look. For heart number 2, you're going to need 1 heart frame and 3 Valentine scarves. These are all from the Dollar Tree. After removing the tinsel from the heart, I measured the scarf and I cut strips about 1 inch longer than the heart frame. After cutting the strips, I folded them in half and cut them lengthwise down the middle. I then glued the edges together to double up the fabric so that you don't see the frame through the strips. I made 3 strips of each pattern for the heart. I used the plaid and striped patterns for the vertical strips. And remember, for these vertical strips, you're only putting glue at the top and the bottom of the heart frame. I'm using this beautiful heart and XOXO pattern for the horizontal rows. Remember to stay on top of the frame when weaving under the fabric. Now it's time to form our heart frame. Remember to pull the strips tight as you glue them around the frame. For this heart, I chose white fluffy yarn to finish the frame. I cut an 18-inch strip of the red ribbon, folded it like an awareness ribbon, pinched it in the middle, and secured it with a small piece of a chenille stem. Next, I took the smaller ribbon, cut about 10 inches, folded it like an awareness ribbon, pinched it in the middle, and attached it to the red ribbon using the chenille stem. I dovetailed the ends of the ribbon. I cut a piece of the smaller ribbon, wrapped it around the center of the bow to give it a finished look. I glued the bow to the top of the heart, and I'm keeping the existing ribbon as the hanger. Oh, my happy heart! This black and white one turned out so beautiful. I love the way it looks. The pink and red one in the traditional Valentine colors, now that one made my heart smile. If this video made you smile, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Thank you for visiting with me and Bernie today. Have a happy Valentine's Day. Stay warm and don't forget your mittens. I will see you in my next video. Bye!